How do I assign product options to products from the Excel spreadsheet file? After you create your product options, you will need to assign them to a product or a series of products. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign product options via the Excel spreadsheet file. Using this process, you can accomplish assignment in mass batch quantity. So first of all, on the screen here, you'll see a product, and down below, these are examples of product options. Step 3 asks select your label type. And we have 4 box option inputs here. Below, select a bezel, and you also have 4 options here. Select an insert. This gets pretty granular because it gives you a lot of options. Ring packaging, how you would like your ring packaged, and finally select a logo to upload here. So I'm going to show you in the back end. If you go to Catalog, Products, and click on Options, you'll see a list of all the product options here. Each of these have a product option code, which is the name that's assigned to it. When we're assigning product options, you take the code, and we're going to, if you have a series like the example I was just showing you, you put the code here and you separate by comma, put another code, separate by comma, no space, and so on. And we're going to take this string of product option codes and paste that into the Excel file. So from your admin, you can go to Products Export Excel, and then you can select the ID where your products reside. If you do not select a category ID here, it'll export all of your products. So once you've entered that, go ahead and generate your new file, and it's going to create a downloadable link that you'll see right here. Go ahead and click on that. That's going to open up your Excel file. Once your file is open, on column B, you'll notice the SKU. You want to double check which SKU you're going to be assigning your product option codes to. You can do a search for Control F, look for option code, and that'll take you to the column where you're going to be pasting your option codes to. So as you can see here, I've already inputted the codes. So you can just take those from your notepad file and copy directly into your Excel file. If you're going to be assigning these across a series of multiple products, you can just drag this cell upward or downward depending on how many SKUs you want to add these product option codes to. And then if there's a different assortment of product options, you can just go ahead and match them up to the SKU and assign them in this column. Once you're complete, go ahead and save your file, and we're going to re-import this file here. Along the left column, Product Import, just click here, choose your file, and upload the file. Once you're complete, you can go to the admin of your products, and you can double check one of your products just to make sure everything looks good to you. Let's search for a ring product, bright silver torch ring. And on the product info tab, if you scroll down, you'll see the option code input box here. And there you go. Once it's imported, it'll fill in the information that you added to your Excel file right here. And as you can see, everything's been separated by comma. One thing to note is that the order of how the options show on your product page is the same as the order that you put them in here. So label type is first, and that's going to show first. Bezel silver circle is second. And let's take a look at the example on the front of the home page here, or the front of the product page. Here's label type is first, and then bezel type is second, and so on. This is how you assign product options to your products using the Excel spreadsheet.